She told police her boyfriend beat her, kicked her, and threw her over a banister. But once officers separated the couple and compared both stories, the entire case started changing because one admission revealed who may have actually started the violence.
How you doing, sir?
Yeah.
Who else is here with you?
Her.
Where's she at?
Her girl.
Hey, Myers.
Yeah.
Come around.
45.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, 45. I kind of got both parties here. Thank you. Hold on, talk to me real quick.
How you doing, sir?
Good.
What's your name?
Antonio.
Antonio?
How are you?
Okay. What happened, Antonio?
She's mad because I didn't take her to a Mexican restaurant. Tried to go take a nap. I work third shift. I tried to go take a nap because I just got to an appointment. I'm 1:45. She come upstairs following me, mad about that. Cussing me out all in my face. I'm ignoring her, laughing her off. She threw a bottle at me, at my head while I was turned to the back. And then I threw it back at her. And then she threw it back. And then she threw a bottle of lotion.
So she threw a bottle over your head?
Yeah.
Or she hit you in your head?
Like, it was like right here or something.
Why are you on the...
I was sitting on the bed like this on my phone.
You assaulting?
He beat my ass because I threw a bottle at him.
At this point, both stories are still forming, but notice how each of them minimizes their own actions while exaggerating the other person's. The officers aren't just listening for injuries here, they're quietly testing consistency, trying to figure out who's controlling the narrative.
You threw the bottle at her?
No, I think I missed.
Missed? Okay.
Punch me in my face, punch me ass, punch me in my head, punch me everywhere. Kick me.
Okay. Where else was he punching you at?
In my face.
Okay, you said, but everywhere.
In my face, in my head, kicking me, slapping me. I don't know what else you want me to say.
Just in the head?
Yes.
Okay, nowhere else did he hit you or kick you or anything like
Kick
that?
me in my back and my stomach, everywhere.
Okay. Are you able to show me this there? Because I'm just, the reason why I'm asking you.
Push me over the banister. Banister broke. I fell over my back.
Okay.
I mean, I don't think I'll have any bruises right now, but they'll definitely come later.
Okay. What would you like done?
I don't know what is it to do.
No. Is this your child together?
Yeah.
And you guys live together?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me ask you, what story is he gonna give? Is he gonna give a similar story?
The same thing. I threw two bottles at I threw a bottle at him and he beat me up.
So after that, tell me again how what happened.
That's how I started. And then it just developed from there. She threw the bottle back and forth and shit. And then she threw the lotion bottle at me. I pushed her. She said, so I got a scratch on it.
So you pushed her right after she threw the lotion bottle at you?
Yeah, that's when I stood up. I mean...
What happened after you pushed her?
That's when we started fighting.
Tell me.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie about it. I mean, shit.
What kind of fighting are you talking?
We fought, like,
No, we ain't fighting. You put your hands on me and beat my ass.
So, I'm sorry. She was yelling, so I couldn't hear you.
That's how she was mad. She was mad that we didn't take her to the next.
So after you pushed her, you guys started fighting. Tell me how that occurred. What kind of fighting are we talking about?
It like literally slaps and everything, like scratches.
She's scratching you?
Yeah, I'm pushing her.
You?
She scratched me, and then I pulled her, like she got them long ass braids. She got. I pulled her over. She fell on the floor. I'm walking away. Go downstairs to the middle floor. She followed me down there. I go back upstairs. She followed me up there. I go downstairs again. She ripped my drawers off. They all tore up in the house. Like literally antagonizing me, following me all over the house. I went in the basement. She yelling down there, following me back upstairs. And I just told her, like, just call the police, like, cause I already have a warrant, like, for this.
You have a warrant already?
Yeah.
Is it active?
Yes.
Alright, well, just because of what you said, I will put you under custody.
Yep, yeah, you're good. Yeah, I appreciate you.
Put your hand in the praying position for me.
Is this reference like how long, how old is this warrant?
Like March or something. Like one of our first fights.
Gotcha. There's no protection order in place, right?
I don't know. I mean, I didn't really know until I had found out because somebody told me.
Okay.
Hey, bud. Yeah.
Well, we'll investigate. We'll investigate this warrant.
Put some shoes on.
Where's your shoes at?
These work. Huh? There's a whole bunch of shoes right there.
The argument starts sounding less like a sudden explosion and more like a relationship stuck in a cycle. He keeps describing her following and antagonizing him, while also casually admitting things that make the situation sound far more physical than he wants officers to believe.
I just literally took my clothes off to go to bed. I literally only had my drawers on.
Okay.
She came up there yelling and shit. I basically just laughed her off and made her more mad, I guess. She just sitting there antagonizing me. I'm ignoring her. She threw the drink bottle that I just had got, but I just bought the drink. She threw it at me at the back of my head. Tried to restrain myself, so I just threw it back at her. She threw it again. And then she threw a different bottle, a lotion bottle. And then, then I got up.
Before we go any further, just because of you having this warrant and just because where we're at right now, I will read your Miranda.
Yes, I threw it at him first. He threw it at me back. I threw it at him again, and he punched me in my face.
Having these rights in mind, you want to keep talking about what happened?
Yeah.
Okay. So in this incident,
just basically.
So you said upstairs, you were naked on the bed. Must have been she threw the bottle at you, or then you sat up because she was arguing, and then you sat up.
No, I was sitting down on my phone, literally about to be laying down and shit. She was sitting there antagonizing me and shit. She threw the bottle.
Yeah.
I threw it back, but I barely hit her. It slid right past her shoulder or whatever. Hardly hit her on the shoulder. She threw another that same bottle. I ignored it. And then she threw the lotion because I already knew where it was going. She threw the lotion bottle. It was like a little eco lotion. She threw that one. That's why I stood up. I could feel like I was getting that. That. It's only so much a motherfucker could take. So I sat there and I pushed. When I pushed her, she was grabbing on me. That's why I got these scars on my arm.
So you pushed her. I'm sorry.
Like a shove.
This section feels important because the details stop matching the emotions. She describes being kicked and thrown around the house, but officers can't immediately find injuries that support the severity of the claims. That gap starts shifting the entire direction of the investigation.
I know she's scratching you, and you guys are slapping each other. You are slapping her.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie.
And then she was slapping you.
Yeah, it was back and forth.
Did you speak to him at all?
I did not. I did not, no. I didn't see any injuries from what she said. All I see is this banister broken upstairs, and she's got a little white mark on the backside. Okay. Well, it looks like she ran up against it.
Okay. I'm gonna talk to him real quick. Okay. Where's he at? Alright. Your warrant's good. What's his name? Antonio.
He asked for his handcuffs to be loosened.
I was trying to.
He has a valid warrant for DV. Strangulation. So he wants to. It's ours. So you want to get him to the car first, and then
My bad.
I was gonna have him sit down in the car.
That's fine. I'll put him in the car and then I'll talk to you, man. Yeah, let me look as soon as I find him real quick. He's been cool. Go ahead, have a seat.
Tony, this is what actually.
You said what?
Let me talk to him real quick.
So then, who hit who? Who hit who?
Physically?
Yeah.
Well, I pushed her, shoved her. Then she slapped me. I slapped her.
Okay.
Then I left, went downstairs like I told you. She came down there, started fighting again. Went upstairs. She followed me up there. It's basically just antagonizing me.
Okay. And these scratches on your face are from her?
Yeah.
Okay. And then where else were you injured?
My arm.
Which arm?
Both of them.
Both of them? You mind turning that way and I can take a look?
Hey, Tony, you so f***ing stupid. If you would have just left like I asked you to.
Yeah, step out of the car, man. Alright, so face that way for me. I'm gonna take these off of you. When I do, that's your kid, right?
Yeah.
Alright, I want you to take the kid. Okay?
Take them.
Take the kid. Alright, Antonio here is gonna take the baby for you, okay?
For what?
He's gonna take the baby.
For what?
Will you please hand over the baby, ma'am?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
What? Why?
Because I've asked you to take over the baby.
Why?
I don't know. She just went to them and told me that.
My son needs to eat.
So, I understand. Alright. You go ahead and stand up for me. Ma'am, stand up.
Why is you taking my son?
Turn around. Okay.
Man, I don't need to do that.
You got her on. Just relax.
Why is he not going to do it?
I'll explain that in a second.
Just in 1 second.
So I'm going to do it.
Alright.
Antonio, grab my phone.
Watch your step.
I don't even have no shoes on, bro.
I'll grab your shoes in a second. We're going to this car right here. See.
Well, based on her story, based on your story, she's the primary physical aggressor. Sounds like she began the...
What do I do about my warrant?
You don't have a warrant.
I
We
don't.
ran you.
You should. My auntie just told me that.
You would be in handcuffs if you had a warrant, I promise you.
Shit, I
Okay.
was.
All right.
He wanted to take, let me 7.
We took your word
Have you be in line?
on you having a warrant. That's why we put you in handcuffs in the first place. We confirmed you don't have a warrant.
Stay right there.
Okay, scratches and he punched me in my face, kicked me,
So you
throw me down the
admitted you threw something
stairs.
at him, right?
No shit.
Okay. So you admitted you threw something at him multiple times and that you were hitting him back. Okay.
I said I hit him back. What I couldn't
Look,
even
we're not
do
gonna-
much.
we're not
I couldn't
gonna
even do
argue about it.
much.
Put the shoes on.
How am I supposed to put my shoes on with no hands?
You can ask for assistance.
So you beat my ass and I go to jail?
23.
dead
Thank you. Show me a parking lot.
Sit down.
Over at the Maple Valley Library.
What is this? Can you move that?
The seatbelt?
In the end, the woman was arrested and charged with domestic violence, while officers determined the boyfriend acted more in retaliation than as the primary aggressor. They also confirmed that the warrant he thought existed for him was no longer active. What makes this case uncomfortable is how quickly emotions overtook logic. A simple argument about food turned into accusations, physical violence, and a child watching the aftermath unfold inside the same home. And once both sides started talking separately, the story stopped being about who yelled the loudest and became about who started the violence in the first place. So what do you think? Did police make the right call here, or did they miss something bigger happening between these two behind closed doors?